welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I'm your girl Shade Boo. Thank you for clicking on this video. As you've seen in the title of this video, this is going to be a haul, a back to school haul. Now I've been supposed to do this video, but timing, kids, cooking, cleaning, just lifing. I didn't have time to get to it, but I made time today so that y'all can see where the deals is at, what you can get for your child, especially if your child is a little thickums like mine. Because Royalty, even though she's 6, she's not wearing a 6. She is wearing in teens and maybe like a small, medium in women. But I'm going to let you know. So make sure you like this video. Make sure you share it to somebody who you think may need to see it. Make sure you turn on your post notifications so when I do post a video, you are able to get it. And let's get into the video. Okay, so we're gonna start off with the few shirts that I was able to get from the Gap. Now, I don't normally shop in the Gap for Royalty because their sizing, like I said, when it comes to the kids section, forget about it. She does not fit anything in the kids section. And when it comes to the women's section, I have to be mindful of the certain type of shirts that I pick because some of them is cropped, some of them is like really, really low V-neck. So I'm mindful of those things. But like the little logo t-shirts, I was able to find and get. So this is the first one. And this is in a size large. For some reason, I don't know what's happening to the Gap, but they seem like they are getting, their sizing is not accurate. At least that's how it seems to me. The sizing is not accurate. So this is the first, or their clothes are starting to run small. So this is a large. I got this color. I also got this color, and I thought this was cute because they had a little Minnie Mouse there. It looked like they doing a whole Minnie Mouse collection, which is really, really cute. Minnie Mouse and Mickey Mouse. Thought this was cute. And got one in gray. So yeah. So all of these is a size large. And I like my daughter's shirts because she does have a little belly. I like her shirts to be a little bit loose. Fitted but loose. And I like them to cover her belly. Like come a little bit, you know, long. So yeah. So that's it for the shirts. Now I got some stuff from Old Navy, starting with this sweater. Now this is a children's plus extra, extra large, size 18. Old Navy does not have plus in store, but if you look online, they'll always have regular, and then right next to the size, they'll have plus. So this is the plus, and little sweater, like a slight turtleneck, zips down here. These are really good under like jacket and stuff like that. Let's see, I got this hoodie. This actually goes with a pair of pants that we got. It says love right here, and this is also in a size extra, extra large 18. Because we are in New York, and when the weather gets cold, boo-boo, it gets cold. Royalty picked out this really pretty thick cardigan. I'm surprised because I feel like I have never seen Old Navy make cardigans so thick. But it is so thick, and it feels so warm. And this is also, oh, this one is an extra large plus. But it's very, very cute. It has the smiley faces all over it. Yeah, this is cute. She loves it. She's been started wearing it. I got some sweatpants. Now, these are long. She could have got these in an extra large. But we got them in an extra, extra large. Plus, of course, as you can see, it has sunflowers all over it. I like fun clothing for children. I don't like clothing that could be borderline inappropriate or not age appropriate, if that makes sense. She also got like some what do you call these? Checker boxes. She also got some of these. They're like the flare at the bottom. So it seems to be all the girls are wearing it. She loves it. And yeah, these are extra large. 14, 16, extra large plus. So she got that color. She also got it in black. Yes, same thing. Flare at the bottom. She got another pair. These are like, I forgot what you call these. Rib. I think they're called rib knit. Same size, extra large. They do stretch. The bottom is like curled. But this, yeah. These are them. She got a pair of leggings, polka dot. And I buy the leggings and an extra large plus again. And the bottom, I love the bottom. I love the design, the edges, so cute. She also got a polka dot dress, which I thought was really, really cute. She is a dress girl. She is a dress girl. Here go the sweatpants that I was telling you about that go with the brown sweater. Instead of it saying love, the pants got a heart on it. And these are also plus, and these are extra large. The sweatpants they run big and plus. The sweatpants run big. So you might want to size down for whatever size you think you're gonna get. Now these clothing, oh wait a second. Wait a second. Okay, these are like some yoga pants, kinda. Another plain black flare, of course. I guess flare is in. Must be. And a pair of sweatpants. Flare at the bottom. Now let me tell you something. All her sweatpants are long. She's short. She's not extremely short, but her body is not. She's not tall. She doesn't have long legs. So I do have to fold them a little bit at the bottom. She says to leave it, but I say, Royce, I'm not leaving it. Your pants are gonna be freaking dragging on the floor. So we also did go to Burlington. Now I just showed you the Gap and Old Navy. Now went to Burlington. Now let me tell you something. I was sleeping on Burlington. My mother goes there very, very often. I go there not so often, but when I do, I'm usually picking up something like for the house or something, or the bedding. But the clothes department, like I found some nice shirts. And if you want some decent shirts for a good price, go to Burlington. Because all these shirts I'm about to show you was under $10. That's my kind of price. So the first one, and these are all like a small and teen, or a small and women, I guess you could say. But here goes the first one. And as you can see, these are rhinestones. So pretty. This is so pretty. Yeah, she likes anything with a little bling on it. This one is really pretty too. Let me get up close for y'all. See, it has all this one. It says love, but it has all the stones there. Very pretty. This next one is definitely her style, because that girl thinks she's in Paris somewhere. Look at this. What that say? Milan. So she likes like these cute little graphic t-shirts. She's into that. I mean, what kid isn't? And this is also pretty that I picked up. So you can see up close, it's Paris and stones. Then I got the little bow. Yes. Also found a Arrow Pastel shirt in there. And that's the thing about Burlington. You can find Tommy, you can find Arrow Pastel, Nike, Adidas. A lot of different brands in there on a budget. This is a Arrow Pastel shirt I have. I thought it was really cute. Floral. Least this cute little tie front shirt that I thought was cute with the bow. So that's all the stuff. Now I would suggest going to the Gap for shirts. Depending on how your child's bottom kinda size is, you may be able to find stuff at the Gap for them. You may not. If they tiny petite, you can mostly shop anywhere. But if they are on the thicker side, like my daughter, I like to call them like plus size toddlers. She's not a toddler, but you know what I mean. The shirts definitely at the Gap in the women's size from small to large. I would suggest you go there. I would suggest Old Navy. Old Navy always has deals, especially leggings. The leggings are usually like $5, $4. They t-shirts too. They t-shirts don't be no more than $6. And they have all types of t-shirts. So I suggest Old Navy. I recommend the Gap, and the Gap Factory. Not the regular Gap, Gap Factory. And Burlington. You gotta go to Burlington. You have to go where the deals are. This is America. Inflation, money, things have gone up. You have to go where you can stretch your buck. You understand? So now I want to let you know, I want to get into a hair product that I started using on Royalty's hair. I have used it before, but I feel like it kind of nourishes her scalp really, really well. And it makes her hair smell so good. And it is by Aunt Jackie's Kids Curls and Coils. That's what it's called, right? So it's called E-Blast, and it has vitamin E, flaxseed, nourishing scalp remedy. It works so good. On Jackie's daily use oil treats dry scalp, while vitamin E and flaxseed help to improve overall root health, nourishment, locks, twists, coils, and dry scalp and hair. So her hair it don't really necessarily be dry, but it eats up, eats up grease a lot and product. So I don't put too much product in her hair. Like a lot of people, when they're braiding their kids' hair, they put gel, they put jam, all this stuff. I don't do all of that. I use a very little bit of edge control, very little. I don't do the edges and all of that neither. I try to use bare minimum of product on her hair. And I braid it, and I just use this oil, and it smells like a fruit. Like, it just smells so good. But I recommend this too if your child has dry scalp, or if you want something to just kind of get their roots back to healthy, or just maintain the health of their roots already if their hair is already healthy. Yes, so this also will be in the description. And plus, as she gets older, I kind of keep looking for different things for her hair. I stick to what I know as far as like shampoo, which I use Cantu for kids. I use a shampoo and a conditioner. And I've been using this for, I would say, about 2 years. Before that, I was using Shea Moisture. I try to change it up every few years because she is getting older, and I feel like as you grow your body and scalp, certain things kind of require something different or a little bit more. So this is why I started using this now. Before, I just used to use Jamaican black castor oil, which is nothing wrong with that. You can use that forever. But I just wanted to try something a little bit different, and so far so good. Now I also give my baby vitamins. I wanted to share with you the vitamins that I give her are by Ollie. She loves them. She likes them. They taste good. They are basically gummy worms. It is a multi-gummy worm, a delightful blend of vitamins, A, C, D, E, B, S, and zinc. It comes with 70. I love it. She loves it. We're good to go. If you are looking for vitamins, multivitamins that you would like to start giving your children, if you haven't started already, I would recommend these right here. And my mother was just saying she remember back in the days, the Flintstones, the hard ones, you'd be like messing up our teeth. Also, I started giving her natural, it's called Natural for Kids melatonin. Melatonin. Let me tell you something about this melatonin. It is necessary when them days when they are just like having a hard time sleeping, or it just seems like it's gonna be one of those days, one of those evenings or nights. Give them one of these bad boys, take them a nice shower, wash them up with this Dr. Teal's. This is how you do this, okay? Wash them up with the Dr. Teal's 3-in-1 bubble bath, body wash, shampoo, sleep bath. You see that? Wash them up. Before you wash them up, give them one of these. Wash them up. Before you know it, put on a little soft music for them. Let them lay down nice and warm. Put on their fresh, clean pajamas. They are going to be knocked out. It worked. It works, okay? Now, this is not you give this to them every day, 365. Don't do that. That's not what that's for. But this is for them days. That's what this is for. This is for those days. Y'all know what days I'm talking about. Those days. But it works. So I recommend this. I also give my son vitamins, who is 16 years old. He will be 17 tomorrow. He takes one a day of Vita Craves teen gummies. Helps convert food to fuel with B vitamins for immune health, physical energy, bone health, and skin health. This is what he takes. As y'all know, my son, he is autistic. He does not like to eat food. He likes certain things that he eats every single day. But yeah, if you know, you know. This is what they look like. And they enjoy them too. And y'all, I gotta hide them because if it's up to them, they'll eat them like candy. This is not candy. The last time I bought my son this, and I think I had it in his room. It was either, I think I had it, no, on top of the fridge. And every day, I say, Zion, make sure you take your vitamins. I thought he was being responsible enough to know that he has to take 2, and that's it. I would probably say by the 10th day, I was like, it was like 5 left. I was like, this boy been eating them like they're candy. What is going on? So, yeah, now I have to lock it down and make sure that my kids understand that this is not candy. Also went to the Nike outlet and got some sneakers for Royalty. So this is one pair that I bought her, that we got her. And I forgot what these are called. I think Nike Zoom something. So we basically buy her shoes like this because of this stretch part. And that's because she has a wide foot. So I can't just buy her any kind of shoe because then she'll be, my foot hurts and this and that. Her foot is wide and fat. So yeah, so we have to accommodate her and her comfortability, and that's what it's about. I hope you guys enjoyed the haul. I hope you guys enjoyed what I showed you today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, make sure you subscribe, make sure you turn on that post notification. So when I post a video, you can pull up, and yeah, I love you guys. I'll see you in the next video.